I will show you exactly step by step on how to claim this free Nitro, but before that, I run a server called Pixie. It has all the high quality server decors and layouts you need. We even have different channels like banners, dividers, and so on. The server is highly advanced with all the new techniques and technologies and advanced verification system to keep our members safe. We also do Discord Nitro giveaways. My servers currently has over 11,000 members and they increase every day. If you want to join my server, go to any of my videos description, there you will find the invite link. You can join us to make friends, mental health, and for decors and layouts, or just come check us out. Okay, so I received free 1-month Nitro from Discord. But why? It's because of these new decors from Dungeons & Dragons theme. So if you got this offer like I did, just click that pink box. See, it says $0. Click monthly and select your payment. Oh no. Pixie, I don't have payment method. Well, if you don't have it then ask your parents, just don't beg around. And as you can see, there we have it. Oh my god. Wow, Pixie. Is this offer for everyone? I have no clue, but it's only for people who haven't had Nitro for 12 months or if they are new to Nitro. If you are one of those then you can get this free Nitro easily. But Discord gives it randomly so don't be upset if you don't. Let's learn how to cancel this subscription so they won't charge you from next month. Just go to subscription and click cancel on top right hand side. Now it's time to remove your payment method. Just go to billing section. After writing your password, your payment method will be gone. But don't worry, you can still use Nitro. Anyway, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe button.